glue has had a significant impact on the world, particularly in manufacturing, construction, and art. The invention of glue allowed for the creation of new materials and products that were not previously possible, and it greatly facilitated the assembly of different components and materials. One of the most significant examples of the impact of glue is the development of aircraft. The use of adhesives allowed for the construction of lighter and stronger aircraft, which greatly improved their performance and efficiency. Additionally, glue has been instrumental in the production of consumer goods, such as furniture, cars, and electronics. In terms of improving glue, there are several areas where advancements can be made. For example, there is growing interest in developing eco-friendly and sustainable adhesives that reduce the environmental impact of manufacturing and production. Additionally, there is interest in developing stronger and more versatile adhesives that can withstand extreme temperatures and harsh environments. Furthermore, there is a need for more efficient and effective bonding techniques that can reduce the amount of time and resources required for assembly. This includes the development of automated bonding processes and the use of smart adhesives that can adapt to different materials and environments. Overall, glue has had a significant impact on the world by facilitating manufacturing, construction, and art. As technology continues to advance, there is room for further improvements to increase the sustainability, strength, and versatility of adhesives.